Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus phone. So first, we need to make sure the phone is turned off. Never clean anything in the phone while it is turned on. Once the phone is turned off, we need a brush with 2 cm flexible bristles. And the bristles should be soft or medium hard, because if they're too hard, they will scratch your phone. We also need a small piece of plastic for scraping. This is to remove any remaining dirt from the port. We will also need isopropyl alcohol. It should be 100% pure, so that it first helps to soften the dirt and then evaporates completely, leaving no trace behind. And so it doesn't dirty the port again. The first thing we do is thoroughly spray the brush with alcohol. First, we carefully take the phone in our hand and gently insert the cleaning brush as far in as it will safely go. Then, with a very smooth and steady motion in one single direction, we slowly move it across to thoroughly clean the entire inside area of the charging port. Repeat this about 10 times in one direction and then another 10 times in the opposite direction. And then in the other direction. This is to help soften the dirt and pull it out. Next, we take this specialized little plastic tool and carefully run it all the way through the entire length of the port from one side and pull it out. Then we do the exact same thing from the other side. After that, we repeat the process in the opposite direction as well, making sure that the tip goes both ways to ensure it is completely clear. Go ahead and insert it carefully to thoroughly inspect the area and see if there is any remaining dust or debris left inside the port. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate. After that, you can use your phone as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.